So hey guys, here we are on the delivery trail. Today, I have one of the greatest, one of the faithful, Mr. Benzman himself. This is a member of our delivery team, driver, top driver. So if you want anything more from the wharf, anywhere at all, this is the man we choose. Today, we have a major delivery coming to you down in the country. And the boss said, he want to work, so we work with him. What do you say about it?
Yeah man, anytime.
Anytime.
Ready and available.
Nice, clean vehicle, ready for the work. So what them call it on the wharf though?
Benzman.
You hear that?
But
Benzman.
Otherwise known as Baxter, but Benzman is the more popular one.
So if you want to reach him, you can call him at?
387-9792.
So there you have it. Benzman is a part of the team, 387-9742. You can reach him anytime at all you want. Benzman, that's what we're talking about. After the delivery now. Good.